part 2 of my haul from the bulletin board at my mom's high-rise. Hi, my name's Kim. If you're new here, my channel is all about stretching your craft dollar and learning how to be affordably crafty. And today I have a haul. The first part I will link down in the description box, and I'll also put it on the end screen. So let's keep going on this haul. So I got some Red Heart Symphony in the color Earth Brown. Made in Turkey. It's a good name for this yarn. 310 yards. I wish there was more of this, but I did like that. I don't know if they still make this. Let me know down below if they still make Red Heart Symphony. And it's a 4-weight, 100% acrylic, but it's pretty soft. It's got some nice tones of brown in it. Then there was, how many skeins are in here? 1, 2, 3, 5 skeins of this Jewel Box by Karen. And it is 90 yards. And there's 1, 2, 3, 5 of these in the color Obsidian. And it's like a velvet. I don't usually like velvet yarn, but I kind of liked how it had a green thread, a purple thread, and a blue thread running through it. And I thought maybe I can make a nice little scarf out of this. Oh, my mom would like it. Maybe for the holidays. So, maybe a scarf and a hat set. But yeah, so this whole bag of 5 of them was $3. Too bad. Next, I have some tweed New York yarn, made in Turkey. It is 50-gram ball, 76 yards, in the color 2, and it looks like this. I thought that was kind of interesting. It's a roving yarn, so it goes from thick to thin, as you can see over here. But I like that. And there is, like I said, what, 76 yards, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I should be able to make something interesting with that. Then I will go to this one next. So this one was very interesting. Again, I like the mohair. So this was $1 for 2 of, oh, there goes the tag, of made in Italy Borghese mohair. And it is 50% mohair, 50% acrylic, in the color number 22. And yeah, it's got this interesting tag on it. It's got a little sheep herder, and it says $7. So there's 2 of these, and they were $7 each, and they look like this. They're in this nice aqua color. And it's a pretty fine yarn, so I would say it's probably a 2-weight. What do you guys think? I don't think it's a 1. It's probably a 2. But, ooh, that is so soft. So there is 164 yards in this, so I have over 300 yards. What do you guys think I should make out of this aqua mohair? Let me know down below. Next we're going to go with one of the kits that came. So this is Mary Maxim. I'm going to have to open it, because I can't even see what it is. Looks like this was a kit of the month club, and this is a knitting pattern. A knitting pattern for this hat and glove set. Oh, does it say when on here? Oh, March 2012. This pattern is 8 years old. I don't knit, but the reason I took it is because it had some sugar and cream in the color Sunshine, 120 yards, and there was 2 of these, so that was nice. And then also there was Mary Maxim Mega. 40 yards, made in Turkey. 52% acrylic, 36% wool, 12% alpaca. Super bulky 6. And the color Deep Blue Sea. Oh, that is appropriate. And this is just chunky goodness. Look at how cool this is. Look at the awesome blues in it. The dark, dark blues with the black. Yeah, that is just all kinds of yummy. It's very, very soft and chunky. And hey, there was 2 of these in here, which means I have 80 yards. What do you guys think I should make with 80 yards of this super chunky yarn? Let me go down below. And that was $2 for the 2 sugar and creams, those 2, and the pattern. Then there was some more Berroco. There's Berroco Glacé. I'm probably not saying that right. Made in the USA. That's cool. And the color 2551, 75 yards. Now it is a tape yarn. It's 100% rayon. I mean, look at the color. It is so soft, it's not even funny. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. But for 50 cents, I really couldn't pass up some Berroco yarn. So I had to take it. Yeah, not really sure what I'd do with it, but I made an exception because this is a high-end yarn. Next, let me show you the roving. So, she had some natural wool roving. Does it say what colors are in here? No, but it does say it was $12.49 when she bought it. And it is by Clover, and it is in these very autumnal colors. So there is that's a shine. There is a mustard. There is like a acorn brown. There is a olive green, and then there is a nutmeg down here. So I recently purchased a spindle. So this is probably going to be my first project on the spindle. So this is going to be a trial run for $2 for some roving. That was the only roving she had, so I figured, hey, I'll try it. So then I'm going to go with my highest quantity yarn, and it is Moonlight Mohair by Lion Brand Yarn. Notice the mohair trend here? This person likes mohair. And this one is Painted Desert, which might be one of my favorites. Look at how cool that is. It's got like a multicolor, rainbow colored strand with gold glitter bits running through this purple and pink beautifulness. Isn't that cool? So there's 2 of those, and these have 82 yards each, 57% acrylic, 28% mohair. Glacier Bay, and it is a bunch of different blue colors with this rainbow glitter strip running through it, and some black and a little tiny bit of white. Rainbow Falls, and 5 of these, and this is Rainbow Falls, and it's got that rainbow stripe going through it again with like some greens and reds. Really pretty. This is the color Rainforest, and this is all autumnal with the orange, greens, yellows. Really pretty. 2 of those. 2 of these in the color Purple Mountains. And this has, look at this blue color here. And black with the glitter multicolor going through it again. It's really pretty. Coral Reef, which has kind of a gray-blue background with that a pink and orange spun thing going through it with multicolored glitter strand. This Northern Lights, and it's on a black background with all this rainbow colored beautifulness. So there you go. What do you guys think about that? Do you think there's any one of those that really doesn't belong? What do you think? I think this black on the bottom might be the outlier. Let me get rid of this black. What do you think of that now? Do those all kind of go together? What do you guys think? Let me know in the description box down below. I was hoping with this amount of yardage to make something bigger. Country Evening, and it is 115 yards. This is something I saw and just thought my mom would like. So again, this was like 25 cents. Got a bunch of thread from her.
And it's crochet thread, so I have a big white, a jade, a ecru gold, mauve. Oh, I grabbed this 3 by accident, so I have 1 3. Oh, these are 25 cents each, in the color sage. Then this one is white silver. And a big one in cream. 1, 2 of those. Actually, 3 of those. Another white and silver. A orchid pink. White and silver. Cream and gold. Where's this one? Another mauve. White and gold. Oh, a blue color. And then what else is it in here? A black. And a, what is this? Dusty rose. Let me pause for a second and put this away.
My leg is starting to fall asleep. I also grabbed a row counter that she had in a little box. This is 100% merino wool, painter's palette, which leads me to believe it's hand painted. Yep, there you can see the name. This was $1, folks. Look at how beautiful that is. Kind of reminds me of my blue drink mix. Blue ones that I hand dyed. Would go with them really well. So there's that one, and the same brand, and these really nice autumn colors. Look at how pretty those are. Again, hand painted. Himalayan Yarn Company, Tibet recycled silk, 80 yards. The Himalayan Yarn Company is in Colchester, Vermont, but it's made in Nepal. From 2006. I mean, this reminds me of some of the Darn Good yarns, but oof, that is nice and heavy. Like, it is solid when you hold it in your hand, but look at how beautiful that is. All the colors. That's going to be something special. And that was $1, dude. Mango Moon, 100% recycled silk, again from Nepal. Provides safe shelter, healthcare, and education to women in Nepal. This had to have been bought a long time ago because it says it's $4 on it. And I don't believe that for a hot second. Look at how beautiful that one is. If that's not yarn porn, I don't know what is. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I got a Mary Maxim kit. That I'm going to be sending out to Happy Mail because this is not my speed. It's crochet doll clothes, but hey, it gets better. Comes with the baby. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls of yarn in here. So there is 3 ultra mellow spun Mary Maxim DKs in the color 1 lime sherbet and 2 snow. That's these 3 down here. Again, I'm not opening this because I'm giving it to someone. And then 2 Mary Maxim Baby's Best in the color pink. So that's these. So I'm assuming you can make, oh, see, it must just be there's 2 different colorways because sometimes Mary Maxim sends out 2 different colorways. Looks like this is the pink one. Looks like they also had a red option. But yeah, oh, and there's some pearls in there. Little pearls. And that is my haul from the random note at my mom's complex. So let me know if you've had a haul like this or if you have any suggestions for those yarns I mentioned. Yeah, and have a creative day, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.